If you're seeing the file stream access denied error in the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or Android device, here are a few fixes you can try. First, completely close the ChatGPT app and reopen it. On Android, open your recent app screen and swipe ChatGPT away. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, hold, and then swipe the app away. If the error persists, make sure you're using the latest version of ChatGPT. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and install any available updates. Still having issues? Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Remove ChatGPT from your device, then download it again from your App Store and sign back in. If you're still seeing the error, the issue may be related to OpenAI's services. Open your browser and visit OpenAI status page. Check whether ChatGPT is experiencing any outages or service disruptions. If there is an ongoing issue, you'll need to wait until the service is fully operational again. Those are the most effective ways to fix the ChatGPT file stream access denied error on your phone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials.